Hello, my name is Cecilia from Understanding Academy, and today we are going to be talking about one of Understanding Academy's original frameworks. It is called the Harmonious Classroom, and it also has an app. In order for you to request access to this app, you need to go to our website, then you need to go to the tab of Resources, and over there you will find it. You need to complete what your name is and what your email address is, and then you will get the link straight into your email inbox. It is 100% free and you do not need to register. And you can also share it, for example, with your students, and they do not need to register in order to use it. This framework was created to help teachers and educators reflect on what makes a classroom feel safe, inclusive, balanced, and supportive. I must say that I am not a musician, but I do have here a guitar. And what's very interesting about a guitar is that it has 6 strings. And in order for the music to be nice and harmonious, each of these 6 strings needs to be fine-tuned. If one of them is not perfectly tuned, then the harmony, the sound that we will get will not be optimal. So in a classroom, something very similar actually happens. Each of these strings represents one classroom element. The 6 strings of a classroom are dignity, expectations, intervention, participation, communication, and repair. Once again, these 6 elements cannot be just taken in isolation. We need to consider that each element influences another one as well. The app is very good to help you reflect by asking specific questions of what you perceive that is going on in your classroom. And you can complete this test on your own, and you can also share it with your students. And then based on the results that you have got, you will also get some recommendations. What's also interesting about this test that is included in the app is that it's not developed for it to be used just once, because it's possible that today the class is very harmonious, but we don't know what may happen in the future, and maybe in the future it will be necessary to fine-tune some elements. This tool helps you connect reflection with concrete action that you can start taking. So, once you get the link on your email inbox, if you press on that link, a new window will open and it will look like this. For the time being, this resource is only available in English. However, if you are using Google Chrome, you can always go over here where the 3 dots are. You can go to Translate, and then you can select your language, and then it will be automatically translated. Now, to show you during the video, I will go back to English, and then what we have here is instructions on how to complete the assessment. Rate every statement according to how consistently it is true in your current teaching practice. Answer honestly, and remember that this is a reflection tool. This is not an examination. So we have string number 1, dignity. Dignity is connected to the idea that every student is first a person, and we should not take them as numbers, but we should always remember that they are people with feelings and with dignity that needs to be respected. So I respect students' names and identities. Do I respect the way in which they want to be treated? Do I pronounce their names correctly? I avoid stereotypes and labels. So, if this is not yet true, then what I can do is I can simply mark number 1. On the contrary, if this is consistently true, I can mark number 5. And then the app will literally guide me into all of the questions. And then at the end, so I will now select just random answers for everything. So I can show you what it will give you once that the results are ready to see. So see results, and here I have my answers. So dignity, my average point is 3.7. So this string is finding its pitch, but it's not there yet. And here I also have ways to tune this string. And then here there is also some space for you to reflect. My next tuning move will be, and then you can answer. And you can do this as many times as you want, and you can share it with your colleagues, with your students, and also with your family, with your friends. And then, of course, you can also print it. So in this case, I am printing my answers from today and also my next tuning move. So this is the tool. Please feel free to request it and feel free to share it with whoever may need it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.